Is there any way to distribute x264 encoding jobs across multiple computers to increase the encoding speed? Does anyone know of a current, active solution to encoding x264 videos across many computers via the network to increase encoding FPS? Brownie points for cross-platform and open source, but just so you all know, I usually use Windows. Programs that I have heard of, and why I do not believe they are suitable. x264 Farm, not actively developed. Good interface, but does not support two-pass encoding, and fails with newer x264 builds. Elder, again, not actively developed, but my issue was that it didn't work with new x264 builds, and it was very difficult to configure, read, randomly stopped working. While I don't absolutely need a program which is being actively developed, I would like one that supports two-pass encoding and works with newer x264 builds. Additional information. So far, I've offered and awarded 2 separate bounties on this question since I first posted it over 2 years ago, and I still haven't found a solution to this problem. What I'm looking for basically is a simple program to allow me to encode x264 videos using the processing power of multiple computers connected over a LAN. Furthermore, it would be nice if it worked with newer x264 builds and supported two-pass encoding. If at any time someone has an updated answer or a new solution to this problem, please post it and it will be given some consideration. (2016) update. After much of my work experience with computer/machine vision, I've come to realize that the overhead associated with the large amount of shared data/memory and the potential bottleneck it presents might outweigh the potential benefits. While I would still love to find something that would allow me to harness the idle computing power of several devices, for now, modern PPU-based encoders are a much better approach if you need improved/real-time encoding. This is what most cloud-based video encoding platforms provide, which is another alternative if you're into SaaS or cloud computing, albeit on a larger scale.
You could render separate chunks of the video, and use virtual dub to stitch it all together with its copy mode, where it does no encoding. It's not real distributed encoding or anything, but simplest solutions sometimes work the best.
It's beta, but functional. It's not quite as straightforward, but it works. It is Windows-based and free. Elder from some Doom 9 guys. You could also try using this. It's a parallel/distributed encoding software for Windows and works well and scales nicely too. Try Googling for Xcode Parallel Encoder. These links should provide more information. This URL.
For macOS X 10.5, I'm not sure of compatibility for 10.6. There used to be Visual Hub, which would allow you to set up a grid farm on your local network. Now it's discontinued and Redux Encoder showed up as its replacement, but I can't seem to find the options for that.
E se o antes que suporte de Chanel, PA de conceder